Take a trip to Benjamin City, shall we? Cheers, my friends. Fulcrum, come in. I'm fucking faded.
Okay. Now the bird starts off. George, I'm gonna need you to stay muted now. Thank you, sir. Starts off.
Trying to blame it on me.
A woman named Juan. You're gonna have to stay muted.
Absolutely obliterated than a hoe.
Those of you who keep unmuting yourself, you're delaying us being able to get through. Stop interrupting classes. Those of you that are doing that, stop doing that for everyone's sake. And when the class period is over with, you can certainly call each other and talk to each other all you want. But right now, this is our time. So keep that in mind. Let's try to stay mature, everyone. Thursday.
Hi, Juan.
George, stop muting yourself. Unmuting yourself.
Fidel, Juan, and George, keep on unmuting yourself, and I'm asking you to please keep yourself muted.
I can't do it! I can't.
Those of you who are disrupting things,
Kick 'em out.
communicate with yourselves. Hyro, would you please tell me what you're seeing on your screen right now?
Faded than a hoe, faded than a hoe, faded than a hoe, faded than a hoe, faded than a hoe.
It's huge.
I love chicken strips.
Fuck your chicken strips! Fuck your chicken strips!
The next day.
Hello. I was showing the video. Yeah, we're going to stay muted, everybody. Thank you so much.
Are you sure about that?
We're really going to need to stop doing that so that way it doesn't disrupt anything that we're trying to get through.
Welcome to the Disruptors.
Please do not do that again today.
It's whiny.
So at this point, if everyone can please mute yourself, please keep yourselves muted. Okay, so please keep that in mind because I know who you are. Please stop doing it. Stop disrupting it. I don't want to embarrass you in front of the whole class.
Try me, bitch.
You're going to need to stop doing that. Hey, good afternoon. Believe it or not, this is our Let's go!
Shut up! I have my headset on.
Questions that I can answer before we get started?
Appreciate you wouldn't scream in my ear, George.
All right.
Duh. You guys ready, boys? You're gonna see when I unmute him.
Fabiola, would you please tell me what's on the screen that I have shared with you?
Are you gonna talk?
There's not anything yet.
Are you gonna talk?
Just turn it in. This way, it's one less thing that you
you're
have to
fucking
worry
breaking
about.
up, miss.
You know what I'm saying? So,
Excuse me, Professor,
just
you're breaking
get these
up.
turned in. All right, person's name that you'll see in the opening credits for a film.
Same energy.
Director?
We've been vibing since day one.
Where the fuck is Aaron? That fucking pussy.
The director. Whoever said the director, you are correct.
Act like a bitch, Aaron.
Number 3. What is a
Where the fuck is Aaron?
specially
That fucking
designed?
pussy.
What is the
Excuse me,
art?
Professor, you're breaking up.
I'm sorry, I'm breaking up.
No, what?
What do we call that?
What are you doing?
We're covering rear window. I would appreciate it if you would all remain muted.
Fuck school! Fuck all this bullshit! What the fuck?
Absolutely obliterated than a hoe.
Okay, right here.
His name is John C.
It's really rude, making all these noises while we're trying to conduct class. Let's stop doing that, sir. Right here. This is the point from the point of view of the man with the broken leg. This rainy night, carrying his work suit. Let's continue with the scene.
My name's Jeff.
Work suitcase. Every scene of says, I want you to. No one else is enjoying these sound effects. Want to end this experience? Please stop doing shot. From the man with the broken legs in the morning. Let's continue and see what happens next.
Wrong.
Welcome. Wow, I know this is really, really, really immature. Really immature. Not the way that seniors and juniors should be acting. I don't know how many times I can ask you to please stop.
You heard that, boys? I'm a loser. Yeah.
Shot of the man with the broken leg to the apartment. Shot of the man with the broken leg to the apartment. Where we see the man with the broken leg. I know that you think that this is hilarious. I promise you, you're one of the few people who do. Let's continue with the sequence. Hitchcock has created more suspense. One of the friends is now inside the apartment. We know she is inside. We know that the woman is inside his apartment. Let's be.
Can anyone hear me?
Uh,
Alright, bet. Hi, George. I miss you. This huge.
My first.
Alright, well, I'm gonna mute my mic.
Bro, I dropped the.
Very disappointed with the disruptions that we were having, during. Period. Okay, and I received some messages from students in the class informing me about who was doing this, and just so you know, I know who was doing this, and the administration has good about it, and consequences will be disruption for those of you that were causing those disruptions. Really, really out of hand. There shouldn't be any disruptions. It's not going to happen today.